This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by setting your seat 8 to 12 inches from the pedals so you can fully depress the brake and accelerator without locking your knee. Adjust lumbar support until your lower back feels supported. Move the steering wheel to chest level and tilt for clear instrument sight. Adjust left, right, and rearview mirrors to minimize blind spots. Fasten your seatbelt, verify airbags are enabled on the dash, and store loose items so they cannot roll under pedals or obstruct steering before you start the engine. With your foot firmly on the brake, start the engine and confirm the parking brake light clears. Check the dash for any warning symbols. If towing, confirm the trailer breakaway cable and trailer lights are connected. Shift to D for drive or R for reverse, release the parking brake, and slowly release the brake while feathering the accelerator to achieve a smooth launch. Use tow/haul mode and the trailer brake controller when towing. Monitor dash messages and ABS activity during the first 100 yards of movement. When merging and cruising, maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds and increase it for rain, snow, or towing. Be aware that a full F150 has a higher center of gravity and is more sensitive to crosswinds. Keep speed within posted limits and use cruise control on long highway stretches to reduce fatigue, but cancel it in heavy traffic or poor conditions. For parking and tight turns, allow a wider turning radius. Back in slowly while using mirrors and sensors, and use a helper when visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.